What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Tauheedah Hawkins here. Guys, for today's video, we are going to be getting into a heart health juice. So let's go ahead, let's get into these ingredients, let's talk about some benefits, and let's juice. Garlic reduces oxidative stress. Blueberries contain the highest antioxidant levels, so much so that they also reduce the risk of heart disease. Carrots actually contain beta-carotene, which converts into vitamin A, and like a domino effect, it helps lower cholesterol levels, and it even helps reduce the amount of plaque within the artery walls, which is oftentimes a leading cause of stroke. Peaches help reduce blood pressure. Much like blueberries, strawberries also have high antioxidant levels, and that helps reduce the risk of heart attack. Some of my favorite juices honestly don't always taste the best, but the benefit is what it does for my body. And I feel like that with this juice. The garlic is a bit strong, but I do think that, the sweetness from the peaches help out. But overall, great juice to have.